Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I created a photo space for this Valentine's Day in the Waterfall Restaurant.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling.
I am just taking here 10 big petals and 7 small petals.
All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. Falling with you, not the only one doing me.
I cut 2 circles of 8 cm radius from paper and I have stuck them together, and I am going to stick all the petals to it in this manner.
Already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a sweet night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh.
So now we need to fill in the center, for which I am just taking a paper which I am cutting in this manner.
Think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug. More want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle.
So our flower is ready. You can even use spray paint on the top to give a shiny finish. Now let's make the leaves.
Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that.
So once cut, just fold the leaves in this manner.
See it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
Now the flower is ready to hang. You can see I have used spray paint here. So these are few more DIYs which I did for decoration purpose. I cut a big heart from chart paper and stuck a gold paper in the middle. And this is a MDF board which I got customized and painted it with red acrylic paint. So I have taken a satin ribbon on which I have attached 3 hearts like this. And this is another heart which I made. So these are some DIYs which I did. I have cut nearly 1000 hearts in a day, and for the background I got this customized in a local shop for 3000 rupees, and you can see here we are adding the curtain lights on this panel.
make mistakes, it isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any time.
So it's time for us to add in some hearts and love wordings here.
Timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch.
So we customized this board and that's it. The photo space is ready. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section,
You
please.
slip in, never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
So the link to the DIY flower board will be in the description box below if you guys want to check it out.
Need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye.